Hey, today we are working on replacing this door with that door, and we'll see how it goes. And then we've got two other doors that we need to put new locks on, so let's get it. Next we gotta mark the hinges, so I'm taking here, taking my tape, pulling it tight, 35 3/4, 35 3/4. That'll mark the tops of my hinges from the existing door. Next I gotta place where my hinges go, the depth. So taking my combination square, so it's there. Then we'll do that, and then we'll mark it, and that'll be the depth of our hinge. Now you can see I've got my hinges marked. Next we got to cut the door to length, so I measured it for my opening, marked it from the top. Then we had the tape on there to reduce blowout. Let's go! I just took my hinge and just traced it out on my lines. Also, pro tip, gotta stand your door up. Just like so. I already started this one, but easy enough to buy a jig at Home Depot. Got this, you set your height from the bottom and then just start drilling her out. And then it's got it for the side too, so you can put your latch in there. Lastly, I use this tool to make the little mortise. See it cut through the wood. There you go.